Welcome to King Green Tip. We share health tips and weight loss tips. How to lose stubborn belly fat. Tamarind tea recipe for weight loss. Drink to lose weight fast. 3 in 7 days. Have you ever seen yourself in the mirror and got frustrated with those extra pounds or loose muscles? Did you ever get fed up of indulging in crash diets or using miracle weight loss pills because they gave no results? If this is the case, then there is some amazing news for you. You can now lose weight. Really lose weight with this one super ingredient that is available in your kitchen. It is the wonder food tamarind. Are you thinking how the humble tamarind can help you in losing weight? Is tamarind good for weight loss? Today King Green Tips will show you how to make this drink as follows. Ingredients you need to prepare for this recipe. The first is a ginger branch. The second is 2 tamarind. You can buy it at the stores selling vegetables. The third is 1 cup of 250 filtered water. Here are 3 ingredients you need to prepare for this recipe. Proceed as follows. First, ginger you wash through the water to remove all dirt. Next, use a clean knife to peel the outer shell and cut ginger into thin slices. Ginger contains an active phenolic compound known as gingerol. According to a study, gingerol helps to reduce weight, improves lipid profile, and reduces glucose and insulin levels. Ginger could help reduce low-grade inflammation. One of the most common complications of diabetes type 2 inflammation is related to obesity and insulin resistance, and ginger can help reduce inflammation-induced weight gain. Ginger also has antioxidant properties. It helps to scavenge the hydroxyl radicals and superoxide anions that lead to toxic buildup and DNA damage. Consuming ginger can help nullify the toxic buildup. Ginger helps to reduce inflammation, acts as an antioxidant, increases glucose sensitivity, and stimulates the GI tract, which make it the perfect spice to add to your food or tea to lose weight. This is ginger that I have chopped. If you prepare 1 cup of water, use a clean knife to peel off the outer skin of tamarind and put it in water. Tamarind contains HCA, hydroxycitric acid, which slows down the production of fat. HCA is very similar to citric acid. This acid is present in many other plants too, but it is most prominently found in tamarind. HCA inhibits the enzyme in the body that promotes fat storage. Hydroxycitric acid also suppresses appetite by increasing serotonin neurotransmitter levels. It also burns fat during long exercises. Tamarind also acts as a mild laxative. Tamarind juice is effective in treating and preventing bile disorders. Consumption of tamarind aids in smooth working of the digestive system. This makes sure your health stays at its optimum levels. Tamarind not only helps you lose weight, but also offers a number of other benefits, thanks to the abundance of vitamins, minerals, and fiber in it. You wash the tamarind. At this time the tamarind has been removed clean plastic. You put tamarind fruit in the pot, followed by a chopped ginger bowl. Finally, the cup of filtered water you cover and boil. When you are boiling, you turn off the stove and pour the water into the cup, and now you can use it. Tamarind not only helps you lose weight, but also offers a number of other benefits, thanks to the abundance of vitamins, minerals, and fiber in it. Tamarind can be used to cure sore throat. Tamarind fights against cancer too. It contains high levels of antioxidants, which help prevent and combat cancer. Tamarind is rich in vitamin C, hence it serves as a fantastic cure for scurvy and other health issues related to the deficiency of vitamin C. Tamarind is used to heal inflamed ankles and to cure joint pains. Applying tamarind on superficial burns leads to faster healing. Tamarind fruit is sour, hot, and rich in ginger. When combining these 2 ingredients together will create a great weight loss drink. Please try it. Besides drinking this water, you should work hard to practice sports to improve health and accelerate weight loss. Thank you for watching the video. Hello, and see you guys in the next weight loss videos.